Yeah, police authorities, first and foremost, what has happened is totally unfortunate and disgusting. म्हणलेला भाशेन तो अटॅक तो हल्लो तो तांच्यानी केला ऑन दीस विवेक शिरोडकर and ताजी मिसीस who was also came to know later that she was pregnant and where तांचे almost 20-25 लोक येवन unknown persons at that point of time attack केला, which is completely not going to be tolerated, and every possible thing will be done to ensure that action has been taken and everything possibly done by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, and me also as a leader, ex-MLA as a leader, to take all action and to get the people involved, get them arrested, and which has been happening, which has been taken place. Moreover, when they BJP is a कार्यकर्ता, आमका ते BJP and Congress हांगा लागना. When something wrong has been done and a woman has been touched, and yet she was almost pregnant, and she was attacked very brutally. She was, it's in ताका नकली उतरावून शूज उतरावून अशें कितें जाल्लें आसा, आनी त्या खातीर आयज पुलिसांनी तुरंत अरेस्ट केल्लो आसा. दे बीन अरेस्टेड, 3 of them been arrested. ताका रिमांडाक व्हेला, ताका 5 days पुलीस कस्टडी दवरली आसा. इज ऑल फिचरिंग ऑन मिडिया, थ्रू योर मिडिया तुमच्या माध्यमांतून सगळें रिफ्लेक्ट जाल्लें आसा. एंड ऑल्सो तांच्यांनी 2 गाडयो टेस्ट केल्ले आसा. And there are more people who are already on the lookout where the police have put their team घातलेले आसा, and they will be nabbed as soon as possible. And परत सांगता की भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो जावं आमचे मेंबर or आमचो anybody, any maybe even a politician or भारतीय जनता पार्टी आमची शिस्त आसा, there is discipline. We will not tolerate such nonsense, whether it's at the center or here. We are very strict, and Honorable Chief Dr. Pramod Sawant is very, very clear that whoever has done this assault, this sort of very bad assault, very dangerous assault, will be punished. And the police are doing their job on that, and the PI doing a fantastic job on that. सेवन सांगलेलें आसा की तो मे बी गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट आसत वा कोणी आसत, whoever is involved in this very dangerous act, which a lady was attacked, a pregnant, they will be booked and the action will be taken against them. For longer, no one is going to be spared, because all the more, if he's a government servant, if he's a police, he should have been all the more careful. He should not have been involved. First and foremost, he has put his job at risk, and he cannot get into such things. And things like this, बारीक कितें गजाली आयज कितें जालां पळय तें actually जावंक नासलें. It's not proper. I can understand why this has taken place, and 20-25 people coming and attacking this boy who supposed to be innocent. आपले तो एकदम आयकलां आमी हांव पासून हॉस्पिटलांत गेलो पळोवंक ताका त्या दिसा, तो एकदम सिरियस जाता, तो कोणच्या वाटेन ना, तो आपलो धंदो चलयता ती अंदाजी पायर, आनी हें करून दुर्वाचें जावंक नासलें तो न्हू. इट्स नॉट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ, एज आय सेड, whether it's BJP कार्यकर्ता, any कार्यकर्ता for that matter, this action will be taken, and our party won't tolerate, because our party is a very disciplined party. When it comes to this thing, though, it cannot happen, and it will not happen, and in the future it will not happen, because in my 10 years, this has never ever happened. But what I can see now today, all this is happening in these 3 years, and why it's happening, I really can't understand. So people should know, and the media, तुमच्या माध्यम तुमकां गमतले, तुमी 10 years आतां आसात, आमकां मेवत करूंक येता, अशें आमी केन्ना म्हणूंक ना. तुमकां चड खबर आसपाक जाय. आनी आमच्या सीएमान बी कितें उलयता ताचें तुमकां खबर आसपाक. सीएमान स्पश्ट सांगलेलें आसा की कोणें हें सगलें हें इतलें डेंजरस हें केलां, तांचेर अटॅक केला, तांचे कशेंच अत्याचार करता, कशेंच तो स्पेर करचो ना, आनी ताणें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा. एसपीकूय सांगलेलें आसा, पीआयक सांगलेलें आसा, ते वर्किंग ऑन इट. इट जस्ट 2-3 days, बट दे वील नॅप ऑल द पीपल एंड दे वील गेट देम अरेस्टेड.
की आमचो व्हडलो पावर आसा, आनी त्या पावराचेर आमी खंय तरी दामतले, तुमकां जाय तें करा, हेजेर तुमकां कितें?
हय, तूं म्हाका सांगता, तूं उलयला पावर आसा, तशें जर जाल्लें आसा, पावर आसलें जाल्यार आयज इतले ते अरेस्ट जावपाचे नासले इनिशियली. ते गाडयो तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी सीज केले, जावपाचे ना, आनी आयज पुलीस टिमी सोडलेले आसता, ताका नॅप करपाक दुसरो नॅप जाता. सो पावर आसा, हें आसा, ते तुमकां खबर आसपाक जाय, आमच्या मिडियाक खबर आसपाक जाय, वेदर ते उलयता ना उलयता ते तुमकां खबर आसपाक जाय न्हू.
तरी मेन कल्पीड आसा तो अरेस्ट जातलो काय ना?
कितें
मेन जो कल्पीड आसा
सगळे एवरीवन विल बी नॅप. एंड आयज ते वेन यू मेक द सिनेमा देर म्हणजे लक्ष येता. आयज म्हाका कोणें आयज आमचे मोबायलाचेर हें धाडलें म्हाका एक काटींग धाडलें, आनी ट्रायन टू पिन पॉयंट एट द BJP वन कार्यकर्तो इज इनवॉल्ड इन ऑल दीस. म्हाका एक सांग, आतां हो इन्सिडंट घडलो लास्ट 2-3 days. Everyone is on their job. Everything media is covered, is very beautifully brought the truth out of the whole thing. There was no any bias. There was no any politics in this. But there have been, as media narrale, they parat ata when every 3 guys have been arrested, the police have already on the lookout for the rest of the accused. त्या म्हणल्यार ना आतां BJP काडले भितर हे पॉलिटिक्स करूंक फावना ह्या ऑपोजिशनांनी. ओके आनी हांगा हें कोण करप हेजी कोण हेजी तकली आसतलीच. कोण गोऱ्याची तकली आसतली वचून परत ना BJP काडप. सी BJP अगेन हांव परत सांगता वेर दीस BJP काँग्रेस एनी पॉलिटिकल लीडर एनीबडी our party won't keep quiet and the honorable CM will keep quiet on this and action will be taken.
अशे इन्सिडंट सद्या गोंयभर जाता. फाटीं फोंड्या एक इन्सिडंट जाल्लो आनी सद्या आल्दोनानूय 2 दिसां पयलीं जाल. खंय तरी सर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर खंय तरी कॉलेप्स जाला कशें दिसता तुमकां गोंय राज्यांत?
ना absolutely not. Law and order is not collapse. Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant is holding the home department and he is doing a fantastic job. आपण कितें जाता हे गजाली कितें जाल्यार सीएमाक ब्लेम करतले नाल्यार मंत्री ब्लेम करतले नाल्यार ताका टायम लागतो न्हू. आमी कितें कोणाक भारतीय जनता पार्टी धाडिना बाबा तूं अशें खुबशे आय वी आर वेरी डिसिप्लीन पार्टी. वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलपमेंट, वी आर गोइंग टू गिविंग स्किम्स वेरियस इन एनी स्टेट और इन द कंट्री. दॅट इज आवर कम. आतां कोण अशें कितें करता ते यू कॅन ब्लेम द गव्हर्मेंट बट द पुलीस आर डुईंग द जॉब एंड द सीएम इज एब्सोल्युटली very clear on that these people will not be spared whether any part of Goa, even the incident that has happened place in Bastora the other day. It's just 2-3 days, but they will be nabbed, that's for sure.